Dear student, in this video we have learned about how to install WordPress on local PC. So first you download XAMPP and install WordPress on your PC. So go to Google and write in Google search bar XAMPP download for Windows 10 64-bit. I have also written about an article how to install WordPress locally. This link I will be added in this video in the content section. So first we download the XAMPP, click on XAMPP, and then choose the latest version 64-bit. So click on it. So click on start download, and it takes some time and it will be downloaded. Now the Apache software will be downloaded, and now we click on open. Software will be open. Click on yes. Now click on next and just choose MySQL and PHP my admin and other uncheck. So uncheck all other option and only check on MySQL and PHP my admin and click on next. Also choose your disk C and click on next, and in English language, and click on next. So uncheck this and click on next. Next to begin the setup. Preparing to install. Now the software is installing. It takes some time. The software is installing, so we have wait for just few minutes. Now click on allow access. And now it's nearly to complete the installing. Unpacking the files. Welcome to XAMPP. The system is finishing. Creating an installer. Now the installation is complete, and click on finish to open the Apache software. Software is opening. So the software is open, and now click start on MySQL and Apache. So start and then start. So our software XAMPP control panel successfully start. Now we allow access. So go to your browser and write down localhost. First HTTP and then localhost and then dash DORD. Click on it. So our dashboard is open. Now we download the WordPress, latest WordPress version. You also Google. So write Google's bar WordPress in free. WordPress is free. WordPress download. So download wordpress.org. Download WordPress 6.0.2, the latest version. Start download, and the download will be start. It takes a minute or 1 or 2. So the WordPress is downloaded, and we open the folder where WordPress is downloaded. So our WordPress is here. Now we go to our exam folder. So go to in folder C, and then go to exam, and then click on htdocs and open it. And htdocs, we have create a folder, that's name of our website name. So create on folder. So I have created a website about testing WP. So it's my website name. So I have created the folder. So enter that folder. Enter. Now in this testing WP folder, we have extract the WordPress file. So I have come in my download and go to compressed and click on my WordPress and cut here, and then go to controls local disk C and go to exam, and then go to htdocs, and then go to testing WP and paste here, and all the file, right click and then extract file here. All the WordPress file I have extract here in my WP file, right? So the file is extracting from WordPress. So all the file extract, and I have deleted this zip folder. So I have deleted, and then we go to exam Apache file and go to MySQL admin. Click admin. So our admin is open, and then click on databases, and now write the same name as you write in your this folder name as testing WP. You mean that you want to create a website name is testing WP, so you have write that name in the in here creating database. So I read this name testing WP here, and then create. So my database will be created. So the database is created. Now I am going to my local dashboard. So enter in search bar http and / and slash and local host / website name testing WP as I write my in my database. So I press enter, and inshallah my website will be open. So click on advanced and proceed to localhost. So from here you click on WordPress. So the WordPress directory will be open, and then choose your desired language. So I choose English United States, and then click on continue. So click on let's go. So our WordPress name, database name is changes testing WP, and username is you will be must written is root, and the password PASSWORD must be finished. So clear it, and then Click on submit. Alright, so you made it. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready time now to, so run the installation to install the WordPress. Now the WordPress is installing on all local data. So write your site name, site title. So we have write testing WP and username. You must write your username. So test, and it is our password, so we change our password is test. Right is your username testing WP, or password is testing WP SM or website, and confirm use of weak password, yes, right, and you write your email address nwpareshan@gmail.com. You must fill this information carefully, because when you change, you have entered this information. If you have lost your password, so it does not recover your WordPress website. So install WordPress. Now the WordPress is installing. So user name is testing WP, password your chosen password, and WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. So login. So click on login. So enter your username or your email address, or username is testing WP, and or password is testing WP, and click on remember and then login. Congratulations student, we have successfully installed Word on our local PC or laptop. So thank you for watching this video. Now we discuss all the options of WordPress one by one, inshallah, from start to the end, to how to create a website from WordPress and how it monetizes through Google AdSense or any other publisher site to generate some income. Thank you for watching for this video. Thank you.